we're back, and we're going to mount the deck motor today. And we're back because Teledyne Braun graciously made us this modified motor mount ring that is going to go on here. It's exactly the same diameter as this plate, whereas the older one wound up interfering with this large cylinder here. So we have to drill holes in this mounting plate and then put the motor on, and if things go well, we'll mount the encoder and the brake. And once we mount all that stuff, then we'll be able to put the whole weldment back on the concrete mount. And I hope we get that far today. I don't know that we will, but we'll see how far we get. So let's get going. Oh, I just realized that I forgot one important thing. We made a dummy telescope, a dummy OTA, and this will mount onto the weldment, and it will make sure that it weighs the same amount as we'll make sure that it balances the system so that when we hook this thing up and wire it up and we start testing it, we don't have a risk of the telescope going into the floor or something like that. So this is going to represent our telescope as a mass, and that'll help us an awful lot. Once we get confident with the motors working properly, then we'll mount the OTA, and that will be the final step in the process. So we've got a ways to go before we're ready for that. Okay, we're done for today, and we were able to drill all the holes and check out the mounting. Unfortunately, we found that our little preloading device, it's a brass and aluminum bushings too that allow us to unscrew it and push this way. And that preloading device is what keeps the shaft bearings in place. So it's kind of important that we have it, but we found out it's too wide and we don't have enough room to bolt the thing in place. So I'm gonna have to get this sliced off, and we took measurements and we know exactly what we need to do. But this is kind of the final configuration of things here: the motor, the encoder, and the brake. And then we are also going to have to take the, well, here's the shaft, the counterweight shaft, and we're going to have to move the set screws on it up a little bit higher because we don't have a whole lot of room there. But just a few little minor things, nothing as major as the last time. So progress continues, and we continue to find little things to deal with here and there. So with that, until next time we meet, that's it for today.